Hey guys, Megan here from MeganItClean. I am doing a sponsored video today. This one is from the company called Super Clean. So I am going to be cleaning the wheels on my kids' car. So this is our kids' new car. Well, not really new, it's a hand-me-down, and it is completely dirty. So today we are going to be using their all-wheel cleaner, which I'm super excited to be trying out. And also I want to say thank you to Super Clean for sending me these products and for sponsoring today's video. I hope you really enjoy it. So first I'm going to show you how absolutely dirty the wheels are on this car. So let's get going. Okay friends, so here you can see I added a couple videos of two of the wheels. I thought I had done a longer introduction showing you all of the wheels on this car, but I couldn't find that footage, so I apologize. But here I'm just going to kind of explain to you what I am doing. So the back of the bottle is a little bit different than the directions I found online. So the bottle tells you to spray the wheels with cold water, and then to spray the foaming all-wheel cleaner on all of the dirty surfaces and let it sit for 30 seconds. So that's what I'm doing here. I sprayed all of the dirty areas. I set my timer for 30 seconds, and then now I am going to agitate the dirty surface. So another thing the bottle said is that if your wheels are really dirty, to go ahead and use a brush or some sort of cleaning wipe or something in order to really get the dirt off. And like I said in the intro, these wheels were absolutely filthy, and so I bought two different brushes. This circular one was a lot easier to get into the crevices where the rectangular brush couldn't get. So I am going to work really hard at this wheel, and I'm really happy with how it all came out. So now that it's all dirt free, I sprayed it with water, and oh, I guess I didn't have it. It wasn't all the way dirt free yet. I'm sorry, I jumped ahead a little bit. So I wanted to show you a different angle of this tire. As you can see, the area that I am scrubbing right now still needs quite a bit of work. And that's after like spraying a ton of the all-wheel cleaner on it and brushing it. So these wheels were pretty dirty. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to spray it again with water, and then I am going to wipe it off with just an old towel. And I am going to go ahead and do that for all of the other three wheels, and then I'll get back on and do a little video showing you how they turned out. So I hope you enjoy this video. I will have a link down below. Make sure you check out these amazing products. And thanks again so much for sponsoring today's video, Super Clean.
So speechless, I just can't believe it. You
Okay guys, I wanted to get in and show you how amazing this all-wheel cleaner product works. Like, all of these wheels were like brown, dark brown in the little crevices right there and stuff. And it's like all silver. I mean, there's a couple of places where I'll probably have to come back again and do it, like maybe in a week or so, and see if I can scrub those off. But this all-wheel cleaner is seriously amazing. And with the all-wheel cleaner, you don't have to dilute it or anything. You can just use it straight, and it really helps clean off all of the dirt and grime and just make your wheels shine. Like, look at that. I seriously am blown away. Okay, so I think that's enough cleaning for today. I was gonna try to clean the inside of the car too. This one, it looks like I need to do a little bit of a better job up there, but oh my god, this turned out so amazing. Like, seriously, I can't even believe how good these look. So I will have a link down below where you can purchase the all-wheel cleaner and these other supplies. Also, I just used a regular water bottle from Walmart. I think that cost like $1, and then 2 different scrubby brushes, and they both worked really well. Those I just bought at Walmart for like $1 each, or I think the bigger one was $2. This one was like $1. But it just looks so amazing. I can't even believe how well this turned out. I want to say thank you to Super Clean for sponsoring this video. I am sponsored, but this opinion is definitely 100% my own, and I am really surprised with how amazing this cleaner works. So make sure you use the link below to go pick up your own Super Clean products. I think I'll do another video for them. With the inside of the car, I'll just use the super degreaser, so keep your eyes out for that one. Thanks so much for watching.